Okay, let's go get a ticket to check on the trains.
Hi.
Hello, can I get a ticket?
Yes.
Thanks. Whoa, it's the Kismet trains. Better check on them. Whoa, BNSF 981 seconds cabs almost gone. The train that hit the other train looks bad. $4,059 doesn't look that bad though. Oh, the SD50 meter is about to be scraped. The H1 paint schemes. Santa FEGP 40 or 38. The BNSD 42. Let me try to get on BNSF 981. Crap, I fell. Let's look at these engines. Cab is still okay. NS. BNSF Fakebonnet paint scheme and is about to be repaired. BNSF 4,479 seconds cab is looking bad. It has been 16 years before this crash, but the conductor of BNSF 4059 had crack cocaine. Let's take a final look. STT BNSF 4479. Well, gotta go home.